did you present to the committee in your report enrollment and attrition rates? Was it in this presentation? Yeah, I don't think it was. Am I correct? It wasn't included. Madam Chair, I'm just so disappointed, to say it mildly. In last year's budget hearing, no less than the chairman of CHED had assured us that when they present to the committee enrollment, we should also be very transparent with the public. Ilan po yung hindi nakaka-graduate? Diba? Kasi that's part of your work. That's part of the free tuition law. That's why we have the living allowance, tertiary educational subsidy. So bakit naman po hindi nyo sinama na naman yon?
Would you have the data?
Madam Chair, we were instructed by the committee on the format of the presentation, but
Yes,
we can submit that anytime. But
No, but I'm sure you
Yeah.
would have the information.
yes, we can show it
No,
upon
yeah, but
request of
you
the
could have included it anyways. It doesn't preempt you from putting it in. Yesterday,
again-
we have a format. DNR showed the video. It wasn't even requested. It's within your discretion. You made a promise to share to the public. I think the public should know if we're doing a good job enrolling and graduating students. Diba? That's so important. If you're a policymaker, you're in implementation, that should be automatic, Madam Chair.
So could you just share with us the rates per year level?
Yeah, the attrition, the national higher education cohort attrition rate from 2021 to 2023, it increased from 37.8% to 41% in 2022. It has gone down to 29.39% in 2023. So this there is a significant reduction after COVID in terms of cohort attrition rate. And we have data on per region breakdown. So we can submit this to the committee, Madam Chair.
May we know the rates by year level? No. Can
No,
we
we
just see it?
only disaggregated it by region because that is what.
Because I'm seeing a pattern that the attrition rate is highest in the third year. I don't know if it's the same for the other places.
Well, first, I think that's a very good question, Madam Chair.
So
But they should
I have a-
define attrition. My understanding is attrition is from first year enrollment and they're not able to graduate. Or are you talking about everybody every year dropping out? When you say 41%, what does that really mean?
Yeah. That means 41% of the enrolled students did not continue or stopped. It doesn't mean they will not go back for that particular year, Madam Chair.
So from a year to year, if there were 100 students last year, 41% did not re-enroll for the following year, whether
For the
first,
same
second,
cohort.
third, fourth year, correct? Ganun po yun?
Comparison between those who came in and when they from first year and until they go to fourth year.
I believe that you compute it by cohort.
Yes. Yeah, by cohort. In the cohort that comes in, we see how much that cohort proceeds on a year-to-year basis.
But
Yeah.
that's very sad, and I hope the media will cover that because 41%, meaning out of 10 students enrolling, 6 lang ang nakakatapos. And that's why we had the free tuition law, which includes living allowance, which is what we call TES. Di ba kaya po every year, the last 2 years, galit na galit po ako
No, that's why
dyan.
I wanna know because I'm seeing that the highest is at the third year. Yun ang pinaka nakakalungkot kasi isang taon na lang, diba? So I wanna see if it's the same everywhere else. Can you just quickly, I mean, that will not take more than 10 seconds.
Madam Chair, the increase in the cohort attrition rate,
No, hindi lang increase the attrition rates. You can say
yeah,
by year, di ba?
yes, yes.
So can we just look at it?
We'll
By-
have to break it year by year, by grade,
Ah,
by
wala-
year level. So we divided it by region because that's
pero
what
wala-
was being
Look
asked.
at by year.
We can recompute that and get the data from the
Oscar,
regions.
can you just have someone compute it and
Yeah.
I'll ask you in a bit. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, but Madam Chair, the increase in the cohort attrition rate, most of it is really COVID related. That's
No.
all over the
Okay,
world.
setting that
Yeah,
aside, I am
yeah.
asking a specific question and let's not discuss it until we see the number.
Okay.
So, sige lang po. Okay. So, thank you. Your time is
Well,
up, sir.
Look,
Our
is it-
next,
just my last question. So, reducing the attrition rate for all Filipino students, is that a performance output indicator? Is that a KPI for CHED? And should it be?
It's not a KPI based on our medium-term Philippine Development Plan.
Well, and I'm sorry, but that's bad policy. So anyway, I'll list for second round to continue.
well,
Madam
it's actually something that we can propose that they adopt. At least for, and they can include it for 2025.
Thank you, Honorable Kimbo. I love you for that. And I hope the
I love you too.
majority, because I know the minority feels the same way as I do. If the majority will make a appropriate move or motion, we
Yes,
will
at the
support the
appropriate time.
majority in that.